Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a non-stock requisition in UDM. First, navigate to the requisition module in your UDM system. You'll then select the option to create a new requisition, specifically choosing the non-stock item category. Be sure to accurately input your department and any relevant project codes to ensure proper allocation and tracking. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth process. Next, you'll need to provide detailed information about the item you wish to requisition. Clearly describe the item, including any specifications like size, color, or model numbers. Then, enter the precise quantity required. If you have an estimated unit cost, please include it. This helps with budget planning and approval. Accuracy here prevents delays and ensures you receive the correct items. Before submitting, take a moment to attach any supporting documents, such as vendor quotes or technical specifications, which can expedite the approval process. Carefully review all the information you've entered, checking for any errors in item descriptions, quantities, or departmental codes. Once you're confident everything is correct, proceed to submit your requisition for review and approval by the designated authority. After submission, you can track the status of your non-stock requisition directly within the UDM system. Be prepared to respond promptly to any requests for additional information or clarification from approvers. Once the items are delivered, it's important to confirm their receipt in the system. This final step ensures proper closure of the requisition and accurate inventory records.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.